Let's meet SMRC 1813. The RC truck is new release. It has nice packing. Let's see what I have in the box. Firstly, instruction manual welcome us. The inside of the box looks very tidy. The remote control frequency is 2.4 GHz and it is the fully proportional controller. You need 4 AA size batteries for it. The controller has string fine-tuning and rudder adjustment. The steering wheel is covered with a soft and sweat-proof sponge. I will test the controller later. It is up to date and it has features that meet the standards. It's hobby grade. The 7.4 volt 1200 mAh LiPo battery is in the current hobby grade class. The screwdriver has a quality above the standard. I can also use it with my other RC cars. The shock absorbers aren't filled with oil, but they look soiled and functional. Differential gear and pinion gear are metal. It has brushed motor. It is cheaper than a brushless motor, but if it fails, you will not cost much to replace. The wheel seems to be firm and suitable for any terrain. The car body has a cool roof light. It has alloy bearing transmissions and it has digital servo, not analog one. I was expecting it to be faster because it's a premium quality RC car, but it was not so fast.
new home for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. Unknown man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark, against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way.
Let's see our speed test. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.